Hello friends, do you like the video? This footage is from our participants fighting for the prize of the Press the Rec Button contest. So here they are, our contestants, and they have already sent us over 10 cool and exciting pieces of footage. Let's review the best of these extremely fascinating videos. Welcome Mr. Danil Tavdishvili from Almaty, and here is his sketch about bacon tree. A report from Aktau on how Mr. Ivan Lukyanov with friends were fighting fear before jumping off the Devil's Finger cliff. And Mr. Alexander Berezhnov closes the top 3 with sightseeing flights on a quadricopter over the Assy Plateau. Of course, these results are preliminary, as there is still a long way to victory, 3.5 months, and there is a chance for everyone who knows how to handle a photo or video camera, but most importantly, loves extreme sports. By the way, let's say a few words about the prize. It will be awarded in May this year and will prove to be a very useful device for any extreme sports videographer, because it's the latest model of the world's famous action camera. The most important thing is to have time to do a little finger motion and push the button, this one. If you pressed it, then a moment would be recorded in the history of extreme sports. If you haven't lost composure and pressed it once again, then a unique perspective would be seen by millions of people. React on time and win a prize. Press Rec Button is the competition section of the Extreme Rush program. We're waiting for your extreme photos and videos. And today we have 2 debuts. This person can safely be named Extreme Icarus of the 21st century. Mr. Vitaly Shno can easily adapt to any airflow, stone snow slopes, and always catch a wave, an extreme wave. After all, he's engaged in snow kiting. Now we're together with Vitaly and a group of like-minded people in the eastern Kazakhstan, in a close proximity to one of the winter sports centers of our republic, located in Rida city. It's cold, windy and very beautiful. In general, all the ingredients for a successful flight are all present here. So what is snow kiting? Here is our brief and informative explanation. Snow kiting is a sport and type of an active recreation which represents exercise with a towing kite exclusively on an inclined plane, that is, on the slopes of mountains, hills covered with snow, with the use of skis or snowboard. In order to practice snow kiting, a wind of 2 meters per second is enough, as opposed to the kite surfing, which requires the wind speed of 4 meters per second and over for confident gliding. Snow kiting allows you not only ski or snowboard, but also make multi-day standalone journeys across the plains and rugged terrain. However, the most important and spectacular thing is that a kite gives you the ability to jump and perform stunts in the air. The uniqueness of snow kiting as a sport is that the equipment which lifts you up is not fastened hard to you, but is at a distance of 20 to 30 meters, depending on the length of slings. The kite is moved by the wind and athletes' actions. A kite is flying in a zone which is called a wind window. Depending on the sport within the wind window and the flying speed of the kite, it develops a different tugging. Tugging of the kite at the same wind speed may differ significantly. An athlete's task is to achieve a constant pull of the kite. Let's see how our contestant is passing the test of wind. After an intense and dry-field battle, peace and tranquility are absolutely necessary. You can find plenty of these in the work of one of the participants of our Press the Red Button contest, Miss Tatiana Druzhinina. It has everything: skill and innovation. It follows the canons of photography, sensitivity to the composition of frame and expression of colors. See it for yourselves. Well, it's time to say goodbye. However, not for long. We will have more wonderful and amazing time for extreme experiences. Moreover, we have enormous plans for the spring and summer. Exciting rally and off-road raids, competitions in windsurfing and sailing, exciting quadra circuits in wild places of Kazakhstan, mysterious diving and breathtaking flights with a parachute. Extreme and drive are waiting for you. Do not miss out.